we're going to be working on the spot healing brush. So what we're going to do is we're going to find that tool, which is on the left toolbar. It's kind of in the top of the middle. It looks like a band-aid, and we're going to click on spot healing brush. Then we're going to choose the size to 25, the hardness to 100%, and make sure content aware is selected. And this is a really great tool. All you do is you select and you pull down, and we're working on the crease, there's a hair, and there's a bunch of spots. So I'm just going to go down, and it's a little bit hard to see, so I recommend that you zoom in. So Command plus or space bar command to zoom in. And you can see as I go through and I release, you can see how the spot healing brush is getting rid of the crease that was in the photograph. And we can go ahead and fix a lot of things here. So another part is this line, this string, or maybe a hair. And if we select that, that's in the upper right corner. But there's a lot of other things. There's like spots, hint the word spot healing brush, that we can go ahead and correct in Photoshop. So it takes a little while. There's a lot of little spots, a lot of imperfections here. Oops, Command Z to undo that one. Say for instance, like there's one next to the boy with the yellow shorts, so you can get rid of that area there. So go ahead and clean up your canvas and have fun working with the hot spot healing brush.